What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet back for my next video. This is part 2 of Candy Down. So if you seen my last video, you know what's going on. I done caught a flat tire and damaged my wheel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe now. Enjoying this process. I got some good content on the way. But my last video ended kind of abruptly because I was in shock about what I was being told. I couldn't believe my wheel had a crack in it, my barrel. So I had to have a little off-camera discussion with the wheel technician. He didn't really want to be heard saying what he had to tell me about what he had to do to repair my wheel. I guess he didn't want Rucci hearing him. I don't know, man, but I learned a lot about Rucci as a wheel company. And I also understand that I got them small profile tires, 255 by 25, and it ain't much meat on them tires, man. So if I hit anything, it's just, I'm taking the chance of it just hitting the ground, man, you know? But I still be super cautious. I'm talking about any crack I see, any pothole, boy, I'm slowing down, coming to a complete stop. I'm holding up traffic. I'm about to go around that boy. I mean, I ain't trying to tear up my wheels, man. But it still happened. So I don't understand it, man. But and it's the beginning of the car season. I only drove that car probably about 4 or 5 times and I'm already getting my wheel repaired. It's crazy. But that's the game. That's the way it works, man. You want to ride big boys, you want to take the chance of these potholes in these major cities, man. It's just, it come with the game. So I'm gonna go down here, pay for this, pick up my wheel, and get my girl back on the road. So come on, let's get to it. Drop top Beamer on the RUCCI'S. Look at that boy. That's nice, man. Look at these big ass 30s right here, man. Y'all see that? Man, I wouldn't mind going 30s or 32s one day if I grab me a truck or something. I can see that, but I might go Forgiato with my next set of wheels, man. I don't know about this Rucci game no more. We'll see though, but 30s or 32s, man. 30s or 32s. Which ones look better? I don't know. This is a 28 right here next to it. That's a 30. Big boys. On little bitty ass tires too. Look how small them tires is, man. I mean, come on now. You're gonna tear them boys up. That's why I'm thinking more of like this a 28. That's more meat to me, man. That'll help against impact. So to be on the safe side, you might want to just do a 28-inch rim, not no more bigger than that. But that's your call, that's your choice, I guess, man, what you want to go with. Just know if you hit something, you're going to tear your rim up, them little bitty tires. You got me straight?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh shit, where you go? The wrong way.
Just gonna send it.
Okay.
Send it. Smooth.
Damn, it was that bad?
It was bad.
I'm still
It's
shocked.
gonna be smooth like this.
I got you.
Okay? It's gonna
So how much more time you need on it?
I just give you like an hour or 2 hours.
Cool.
I'm sorry about that.
I ain't no rush for real, for real. As long as it's done today, I'm cool with that. Yeah, yeah. All right. Should have thought you first. It's the passenger side, yeah. Look at my baby.
Oh, okay.
Jesus. All right.
Even here, face straight. You see it?
Oh, you fixed it. So it was a little dent. I really couldn't see it. Okay.
I see it.
You saying it. I got you, man. Hey, we good. As long as it's good, back on the road, I'm okay with that. But damn. All right. See, it was worse than what I thought it was, man. Look at that. That's crazy. Ain't no scratches on my shit though, but then he said I had a little small dent. I ain't even see that dent right here. Fuck it, man. What's good with you, bro? I'm good, bro. That's yours?
Right here? Yeah.
Hit the butthole, what happened to your shit?
No, man, I just came up here. This ain't got it done. Just took the other wheels off.
Okay.
Put these ones on the front.
Gotcha. That boy clean, dog. Color mean as hell on there, man.
Thank you, bro.
She ready to go home. All done. With my new tire. Let me go ahead and get my receipt. Paid up, time to go home. It's time to get back on the road. Now I can make the car show this weekend. All right, man. I appreciate you, man. All right, now, thank you. Time to get my girl back bolted up. So I can make this car show, baby. She's back. Back on the road, baby. Check my girl out. Let me show y'all the new tire over here. See, you really can't see no difference. Same profile, of course, but it is a different tread pattern. I was a little worried about that, but you can't really see anything unless I turn the wheel out. But we good, man. I might go ahead and just get another one of them tires so I can just match the front up. It's just something about me knowing it's a different tread that's gonna bother me. I'm gonna actually go ahead and show y'all that real quick. Okay, so if you look at this tire, see how this pattern is versus my new tire, because this tire over here is a directional tire. So it's designed to go in that direction that the tire rolls. So it's a different pattern, man. It ain't that big of a deal, to be honest with you, but just me knowing I had a mismatched tire on my car was gonna irritate me. I mean, y'all may feel me, y'all may not feel me, man, but I would have had to wait 2 weeks to get the same matching tire, or I could have just did what I did and got that one and make it to this car show this weekend. So that's what I chose to do. So we back out here on the road now, baby. Trying to get my girl a good bath now. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. Like I said, I got some good content on the way. My next video should be the car show video. You know, so make sure y'all like this video. Leave me a comment. Share it. Subscribe to my channel. All that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Let's go ahead and get to it.